In the world of technology, where change is the only constant, one name has remained a steady force for over 2 decades: Debian Linux. A robust and reliable operating system, Debian was born in the early 90s, a brainchild of Ian Murdoch. Its name, a blend of Ian's and his then-girlfriend Deborah's names, has since become synonymous with stability and versatility. Debian has proven its mettle in the tech industry, quietly underpinning many of the systems we use daily. As the backbone of numerous popular distributions, including the widely recognized Ubuntu, Debian's influence is far-reaching. It's a testament to Debian's power and flexibility that it forms the foundation of so many distributions, each with their unique flavors and features. Yet, Debian itself remains a bit of an unsung hero, overshadowed by its more famous offspring. Unbeknownst to many, Debian Linux has silently been the bedrock of the tech industry, powering countless systems around the globe. While Debian might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of Linux distributions, its influence is undeniable. Let's take a moment to compare Debian Linux with other popular distributions. Ubuntu, Fedora, and CentOS are all notable names in the world of Linux, each with their own unique strengths and offerings. Ubuntu, for example, is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive software availability. It's a great choice for beginners dipping their toes into the Linux pool. However, Ubuntu is based on Debian's testing branch, which, while more cutting-edge, might not be as stable as Debian's stable branch. Then we have Fedora, a distribution known for its cutting-edge technology and strong commitment to open-source ideology. Yet Fedora's focus on incorporating the latest software means it often has shorter support cycles, which could be a downside for users seeking long-term stability. CentOS, on the other hand, is prized for its robustness and compatibility with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, making it a preferred choice for enterprise environments. Yet, the focus on enterprise features might make CentOS less appealing to average desktop users. Now let's circle back to Debian. What makes it stand out from the crowd? Well, Debian's commitment to stability is second to none. It might not always have the latest software, but what it does have is thoroughly tested and reliable. Debian's package management system is also top-notch, offering a vast repository of software packages. Its commitment to free software, as outlined in the Debian social contract, is a testament to its dedication to the open-source community. On the topic of community, Debian's is large, active, and incredibly supportive. This, combined with its extensive documentation, makes it a great choice for both newbies and seasoned Linux users alike. In the end, it's a matter of preference and needs. Do you value cutting-edge features or long-term stability? Do you prefer a user-friendly interface or a more hands-on experience? As we see, each distribution has its strengths and weaknesses, but Debian's commitment to stability and freedom sets it apart. So why should you care about Debian Linux? Well, let's circle back to the key points we've discussed. Debian Linux isn't just another distribution, it's a cornerstone in the world of Linux. It's the backbone of many other distributions, including the popular Ubuntu, and that's no small feat. Debian's commitment to stability is legendary. It's a distribution you can trust, whether you're running a server or using it for your everyday computing needs. And let's not forget about Debian's unwavering commitment to free software. It's a project driven by a community that values freedom and transparency. Choosing the right Linux distribution is crucial. It's like picking the right tool for the job. And while there's no one-size-fits-all solution, Debian's versatility and reliability make it a worthy contender for a broad range of use cases. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a system administrator, or just someone who values stability and freedom, Debian Linux is a distribution that deserves your attention.